Why tides change. The moon's influence on Earth's oceans. Have you ever wondered why tides rise and fall every day? The answer lies in a cosmic dance between Earth, the moon, and even the sun. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind tides and how the moon shapes the rhythm of our oceans. Let's start with the basics. What are tides? Tides are the regular rise and fall of ocean water levels. Most places experience 2 high tides and 2 low tides each day. But what causes this constant motion? The main force behind tides is the moon's gravity. As the moon orbits Earth, its gravitational pull creates bulges in the oceans. These bulges are what we experience as high tides. As Earth rotates, different areas move in and out of these bulges, creating the cycle of high and low tides. This interaction between Earth's rotation and the moon's pull is why tides are so consistent. The role of the sun. The sun also plays a role in tides, although its effect is weaker than the moon's. When the sun, moon, and Earth align during a full or new moon, their combined gravity creates spring tides, the highest tides of the month. On the other hand, when the sun and moon form a right angle with Earth, we get neap tides, which are weaker. This balance between the moon and the sun keeps our tides constantly changing. Tides shape ecosystems. Tides aren't just about water rising and falling, they're essential for life on Earth. They create unique habitats like tidal pools, where species have adapted to survive both underwater and exposed to air. Many coastal animals depend on the tides to feed, breed, and thrive. For example, seabirds often time their hunting with low tide, when fish are easier to catch. The power of tides. Did you know tides are also a potential source of renewable energy? Tidal power plants, like those in Scotland and South Korea, harness the motion of the tides to generate electricity. This clean energy source is reliable and predictable thanks to the moon's consistent orbit. What if there were no moon? Imagine a world without the moon. Without it, Earth's tides would be much weaker, and the oceans would lose their dynamic movement. This could disrupt marine ecosystems, coastal economies, and even Earth's climate. The moon does more than light up our night sky. It shapes life on Earth in ways we're still discovering. Why understanding tides matters. Studying tides helps us predict weather, manage coastal areas, and even plan for rising sea levels due to climate change. It's a reminder of how interconnected we are with the natural world and the cosmos. Fun fact: tides on other planets. Tides aren't unique to Earth. On Jupiter's moon Io, tidal forces from Jupiter create intense volcanic activity. These cosmic tides reshape the moon's surface and remind us of the power of gravitational interactions. So the next time you see the tide rolling in, think of the moon's invisible hand guiding the waves. What amazes you most about the moon's influence on Earth? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cosmic insights.